former Legislative Assembly Representative for Catch 2013, running for honorable mention, an official student partner for Microsoft, a Procter & Gamble Student Excellence Award nominee, together with the Student Council Alliance of the Philippines. Hindi lang para sa universidad, kundi para sa bansa! A St. Lasal scholar from Manila Science High School. The president who will bring real progressive leadership in St. Lasal University. Servisyo totoo, pamumulong may prinsipyo, isang presidente kapag sa inyo! Diyan ang kabuhat!
A culture defined by rights and responsibilities. Isang bansang kinikilala ang bawat tungkulin ng bawat estudyante dito sa loob ng universidad. Isang kulturang kinikilala ang karapatan ng bawat individual. Isang kulturang kinikilala at tinatangasa ng bawat individual ang nararapat. Ngunit kaakibat ng kulturang ito ang ating responsibilidad. Hindi lang para sa ating sarili, kundi para sa bayan. Lagi na lang nilang sinasabi, bakit lagi na lang iniintindi ng tapat yung mga tao sa labas ng universidad? Lagi na lang nilang sinasabi na nasa labas ng universidad. Lagi ang sagot naman namin, nasa labas ng universidad ang tunay na laban! Tingnan nyo ngayon kung sino ang nasa loob. Ito ang alyansang tapat sa Pilipino. Dahil mapalatalyano ka man o hindi, iisa lang ang laban natin. Ang laban para sa hustisya. Ang laban para sa kalayaan. Dahil bago ang lahat, Pilipino muna tayong lahat. This, De La Salle University, is Lasallian citizenship. College of Science, have you really taken a closer look as to how you ask questions? College of Business and School of Economics, do we really have enough to spare as to why we just spend time doing our own business? College of Liberal Arts, are we truly free? College of Education, have we touched the lives of the future lately? College of Computer Studies, have we really seen the realities beyond our monitors? College of Engineering, have we seen all the angles as to how we solve the problems of this university and society? We ask questions because we don't want to just give you solutions. We ask questions because we want to mold you to be part of the solution. People have been questioning my abilities as to how I can lead this university because of my so-called lack of experience. You want to talk about experiences? Let's talk about experiences. I have been through poverty. I have been face to face with corruption. I have been under the crooked educational system of this country. I have been fighting to be worthy of opportunities in this university. I have seen the very issues that have rendered the hope of this society hopeless. Credentials are very much different from experiences. Credentials tell people what you did. Experiences tell people who you are. Kaya, sino nga ba talaga kami? Kami ang alyansang lumalaban, ipinaglalaban ng pantay-pantay na oportunidad. ipinaglalaban ng pantay-pantay na karapatan, ipinaglalaban ng bawat isang tao dito sa loob ng universidad na ito, dahil naniniwala kami na karapat-dapat tayo sa plataformang hinahain namin. Kaya sa pagboto mo ngayong eleksyon na Talyano, ano nga ba ang tanong na nasa isip mo? Serbisyong totoo, pamumuno may prinsipyo.
Isang presidente kapat sa inyo!
At ako po ang inyong gabay at gabay na tapat,
Na tapat! Na tapat!